Have you ever wondered what the term going Dutch means? You probably heard it used in movies or maybe in real life too. I'll give you an example. Let's say a guy wants to ask out a girl, but he doesn't want her to think that it's a date, that they're just going out as friends. So he'll say, no, this isn't a date. We'll just go Dutch. Uh, what he means is each person pays for their own meal. That's really what it means. Because in a traditional date, the guy pays for the meal, you know. But if you want to say, oh, no, this is not a date, we'll just go Dutch, meaning we're just going to go out as friends, each person pays for their own meal. That's what it means. And you can use it in really, it doesn't have to be a dating scenario. It could just be two friends who already know their friends, who just say, oh, we'll each pay for our own meal. No one's going to be the designated payer. Or like if a group of friends go out to eat. Yeah, this is another one. A group of friends go out to eat. Let's say like 5 people. They have like a party-sized table. But there's not one person paying for everything. They'll just say, no, we'll just go Dutch. All of us will just go Dutch. So that means each person pays for what they order. Not one person doesn't pay for everything. All right. Hope that made sense. It's pretty straightforward, I think. Personally, I love going Dutch. I think that's the way every meal should be. You go out with somebody, pay for your own. Whether it's a date or not. But, not everyone agrees. I don't know, in Western society, there's this mentality where, like, one person has to pay for everyone's meal, whether it's a date or not, I see this a lot in, like, people who go on business dinners where there's, like, 5 or even more people than that eating together, and, like, one person is supposed to pay for everybody. That's ridiculous. Go Dutch. Definitely. It's just fair, because I think if somebody orders like $100 champagne bottle or something, someone else shouldn't be paying for that. If you order it, you should pay for it. That's how I am. Okay, so go Dutch and subscribe to my channel.